I welcome you all back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can secure your WhatsApp account. So if you want to secure your WhatsApp account from hackers so that they don't gain access or they don't hack your WhatsApp account, there are some few things that you need to do on your WhatsApp account to ensure that it is secure. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing first, what you need to do, you have to make sure that you have WhatsApp already installed and set up. So once you have WhatsApp set up, you can see I have the app right here on my screen. So I'm actually going to launch it. Go ahead and launch your WhatsApp application. So once it launches, you look out for settings. So from my screen, I'm going to get the settings at the far top where you see the camera. Right after camera, there's a three dots at the very top. I have to go ahead and tap on that, and once I do that, I'll be seeing something called settings. So look through and I'm going to see settings. That's the last option that pops up. Go ahead and click on that. And once you do that, you're going to be presented with this interface as you can see from here. So the first thing on the list, I have account, which is security notification. So you have to go ahead and tap on security. And once you click on security, the feature we'll be talking about here is called two-step verification. So you go ahead and tap on two-step verification. Once you are here, you can see from here, it says that for security, for extra security, you have to turn on what? Two-step verification, which will require a PIN when you are registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. So for example, when you decide or when you lose your mobile phone or when you decide to change your mobile phone and you want to set up your account again, it gives you this same number. WhatsApp is going to ask for this PIN that you actually set up, which is in the form of our security. So when somebody taps into your account and trying to gain access, the system is going to actually request for the PIN that you provided, of which the person doesn't know. The person will not be able to gain access to your account. So that's basically what it does for us. So what we're going to do is that we need to go ahead and tap on turn on. So once you click on turn on, you can go ahead and put on your PIN. So I'm actually going to put here some PIN. Once you're done, you click on save. And once you click on save, you can see that it says your PIN is set successfully. So now, as soon as it is done, it is asking you to go ahead to set up your email address. This is because when you lose your PIN or if you forget your PIN, then WhatsApp is going to help you reset it via the email. So you can see it says that two-step verification is on now. You need to add email address to your account to make sure that you have access if you forget your PIN. You have to go ahead and click on add. Then you put in here your email address. Once you do that, you click on next. Then you wait for WhatsApp to verify. So once it's done, a code will be sent to this particular email. So I have to go into my email and confirm the code that was sent. So I have to look up for the account. So you also have to go in there, look for the account where the email was sent to, and voila, you can see I've actually received the code right here. So all I need to do is just copy the code that WhatsApp sent to me. So I just have to copy this code that WhatsApp sent to me. Head back to my WhatsApp, and then I'm going to provide this PIN that WhatsApp sent. So just paste in here the PIN and then verify, and in no time WhatsApp is going to verify my email. So you can see that I've actually set up my account. So if I go back now and you confirm and we tap on two-step verification once again, you can see that it's already checked in green, meaning it is on already. If you also want to remove it or want to take off the two-step verification off from your phone, all that you do is click on turn off and then click on turn off, and in no time it goes off, and now there is no verification set onto your account. So this is how you can actually protect your WhatsApp account from hackers gaining access or hacking into your phone. I believe this is helpful. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be available to attend to you. Until then, see you in the next video.